Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is in Chief Architect Premiere version X14 and regarding library replacing objects. That's the best way I can tell you. Let's just get started. So I've got this project here that I just remembered the city requires carbon monoxide and smoke detectors in and out of the bedrooms. So I had placed smoke detectors in the halls and bedrooms, and I want to put this COSD now in all of the bedrooms and all of the hallways. So I'm going to, instead of deleting the smokes and replacing them with the COSD, I'm going to just click on the COSD library object, and down here is one of my options in the lower left hand corner is explicitly disable any library replacement. Or if I click on this toggle library replacement mode, I can now replace all of those objects. I don't have to select any object and then click replace. I just go into the library and replace. Now I want to, now I've got the scope of it. Do I want to replace just one at a time, the whole room, whole floor, or the whole plan? I can replace the whole freaking plan if I want, and click on that SD, and now all of them inside the bedrooms, out in the hallway, up on first floor, have been replaced. What a beautiful, beautiful, amazing new tool. I think X13 had something like this, but I'm in X14 now and just wanted to share that with you. Amazing, amazing tool. Now notice it didn't replace this one here because that's a different library object that was replaced earlier. So I'm just going to go on to surface mounted and smoke detector, replace that object because that's really the only one, but replace that right there, and we're set. Thanks so much for watching. If you like and learn something from this material, these videos that I put out, would you please leave an encouragement? Hit that like button down there and subscribe as well if you haven't already, so you can get notified each week as I release these. Do hit that notification bell too. Thanks.